Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video and your daily update, of course, on Solana. All right, we have enough to talk about. We have some interesting developments, I would say, regarding Solana. And just in general, the technicals right now are also quite interesting, all right? Because purely technically, just to dive right into it, and I will elaborate on this, but purely technically, short term, very short term, we're bullish, all right? We had this reclaim right here, which I'll delete from the charts. Reclaim, another breakout above this trend line right here. That's all great. But then on the other hand, Bitcoin is finding some strong resistance right here, which is never great for altcoins, including Solana, which at this moment is still correlated to Bitcoin for about 68%, which is lower than it was, but it's still quite high. And then apart from that, we also still have a lot of resistance around 150. So yes, short term, we're seeing bullish momentum. And just in general, if you look at some more numbers, which is obviously what we'll do in this video, you can see that Solana gained some momentum last week, but you can also see that the spot buying has been relatively flat. That's not great. Like I said, we have some strong resistance levels, and then apart from that, short term, the bullish signals is that we got those bullish technical breakouts, and then apart from that, and I wanted to check that out together with you. Usually what you see is that when Solana turns a little bit more bullish, the network also does better. All right, and at this moment, if you look at the total value locked, it's kind of at the same levels as yesterday. So we cannot really say much about that. What I did see, and I do think that's interesting for you to know, and I also posted about that on my X page. So check that out if you want to. Follow. We reached, we used to have 2,000 followers. Now it has dropped down. Thank you for the unfollows. But no, I tweeted about Solana and Avalanche as well, because what you saw yesterday, and if you don't know, some sort of a weird rotation you have in crypto, is that Solana and AVAX or Avalanche move together. So what you saw yesterday is that both of these coins are actually in the same scenario, or in the same situation. Both of them broke this downtrend. If you look at Avalanche, for example, it's this downtrend. And both of them have strong resistance levels above them, but have also gotten significant bullish breakouts. So if Solana and AVAX gain more momentum, I don't think that's the case right now, but if they gain more momentum, they can actually rally a lot. Look back at, for example, this rally we had right here. AVAX also had a very, very similar rally. So that can happen, but for now, I think we need some more confirmation. All right, first of all, the one thing that needs to happen is that the market needs to stay relatively bullish. All right, so if you look at Solana right now, like I said, purely technically, we can be bullish or bearish. Short term, we almost have to be bullish. But then if you look at the momentum and the resistance levels we still have, then you would say, all right, well, there's no way with this momentum, with this open interest, that we're going to get that bullish breakout. So the only scenario in the middle of that is that we'll just move sideways. So that seems most likely at this moment. So then the one factor that can change that is the market. And at this point of time, even though I do expect some sort of a pullback from Bitcoin, and I also do think that Solana can pull back into this level right here, hence the drawing at 140. But I do think that after pulling back into 140, it's most likely that we will get that bullish breakout. But that's mostly because I'm relatively bullish on the markets, right? And that we can get up to 158 again. And then from there, we'll see. All right, if Bitcoin really does stay bullish and we can go higher than 66,000, for example, all right, well, then Solana can also break above that. But short term, like I said, I think it's most likely, I think it's best to view Solana like this, that it's consolidating here in this region. And that due to the volatility on Sunday, we'll probably bounce around with quite a lot of volatility. Basically what I already said. But ultimately, if we're talking about a breakout, I think the bullish breakout is more likely due to my views on the market right now. If you want to know more about that, check out my Bitcoin video. But for now, that's what I think you need to know. All right, so if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.